Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make basic palm cream sauce that pairs beautifully well with rice. For the full list of ingredients that I use, please check the description box below. Into a pot, pour in your meat stock or water if that's what you'll be using. Scoop in the palm cream into this meat stock or water. The amount depends on how much sauce you'll be making. Add in grounded crayfish, add in dry pepper, stir it, cover it up and bring it to a boil. Some minutes later, this is what you have. The oil will come up onto the surface of the sauce. I just drain that oil away because it is too much for me. If you're using fresh palm nut cream, this step might not necessarily be important for you to do. But because I'm using the canned palm cream, the problem is that it produces a lot of oil, and that's not what I'm looking for. So in that case, I drain it out like shown. At this stage, add in your pre-cooked meat with fish. I'm using leftover pre-cooked meats that I have in the store. That's why this is a reconstructed video. But if you're using fresh meat from start, you have to just pre-cook your meat and then you add it at this stage. Because it's thickened more than what I wanted, I added a bit of water to thin it out. Adjust the seasoning level to your taste. Cover it up and continue to cook for some minutes. While that is simmering, clean and roughly slice your basil leaf. After some minutes, when it has thickened to your level of preference, add in your roughly sliced basil leaf into the mix and let it simmer for about 2 more minutes. Two minutes later, your food is ready. Voila! Serve this with your rice and enjoy while it's warm or piping hot. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things from this video. As always, to my new subscribers, I say welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by. Until next time when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye-bye.